Hello kids. Today we are going to learn animal life of Arctic region or Greenland. The people or the animals living in that one region where in Greenland we are going to learn about their life. We are going to learn about their life, transport, okay, etc. So see here, animal life of Arctic Greenland. Nature support the Arctic wildlife with adequate adaptation. The nature supports the animal wildlife with adequate adaptation. Animals found in this region like a reindeer, polar bear, white Arctic wolf and the musk ox can bear the extreme cold condition. The animals those are found in that one Greenland, reindeer, polar bears, white Arctic wolf, musk ox. These can bear the extreme cold condition. They control the very cold condition because their body adapt that nature. These animals' body adapt the nature where all the whole year ice fall down. Means there is a very cold condition. Their body structure, they are made from that type. These are animals adapt the nature of that one ice, cold ice, extreme cold ice. The people in Greenland also rear domestic animals such as a sheep, goat, pig, seals, walruses and the whales are largely found in the coastal area of Greenland. The people in Greenland, those are living in Greenland, they rear animals such as goat, sheep, pigs, okay, and seals, walruses and whales are also found in the coastal area of Greenland. These all animals are found in Greenland. Understood, no kids? Next, do you know shark found in Greenland water is hunted for its liver oil? The shark found in Greenland water is hunted for its liver oil. The shark is hunted by people because of its liver oil. People remove the oil from its liver oil, this one. So, people hunt this one shark from where it is in Greenland. Understood, no kids? These animals are found in Greenland. They adapt that nature. That one animals adapt that one nature. So they are living there. Look here, reindeer, sheep, goats, piggies, white Arctic wolf, ox is this one, fox this one, okay, walruses, seals, walruses and the whales are largely found in this one, where? Greenland. Understood, no kids? Next, life of the people. Life of the people. Inuits or Eskimos were originally inhabitants of Greenland. Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Eskimos were originally inhabitants of Greenland. They live in extreme difficult climate conditions and make a living by hunting and fishing. They live in extremely cold, extremely difficult condition. and make living by hunting and fishing. They are hunting and fishing. Today, these peoples wear modern weapons like guns instead of bows and harpoons for this activity. Today, that one peoples using guns to hunt the animals instead of using bows and harpoons. The people consume almost very part of the animal's fish. For example, fish. They hunt such as the meat, skin and fat, blubber in valleys. It is the one type of the fat in blubber in valleys. The food is prepared in oil obtained from the animal fat, thus providing heat to the body. The people consume almost every part of the animals, whatever they hunt, no, they consume all, they eat all that one parts of the animal, and they prepare a food in which one oil? Fat oil. Oil that one obtained from the fat, because that oil provide a more heat. This one people need a more heat in that one region, because there is a very extreme cold condition, so they need a hot heat to their body. This one animals, whatever they hunt, no, they eat. They almost every part of the animals, such as meat, skin, fat, and the food is also prepared in oil obtained from the fat. Thus, they are getting a heat to the body. They protect themselves from the bitter cold by wearing clothes made out by animal skin, hide and fur. Jackets with fur-lined hoods called the parkas, long boots and gloves help in the keeping them warm during the biting winter. There is a winter means there is a very cold. Now we are feeling a cool. No, it's a winter season, so we are feeling a cool. Nowadays there is a minus degree Celsius. The temperature goes in minus. So they are wearing animal skin clothes, fur clothes. They are called parkas, and long boots, gloves in keeping warm during the biting winter. Animal skin is also used in making blankets, tents, boats, while the oil extracted from the animal fat is used for cooking, heating and to light lamp. Bones, ivory and wood are still used in making the implements and tools. Animal skin is also used in making blankets. Whatever they hunt, no, they remain animal skin remain. That one they are made blankets. Blankets are made by animal skin. Blankets, boats, while the blankets, tents and boats, while the oil extracted from the animal's fat is used for cooking the food. Heating and to light lamps. Oil is used to heating the and to lighting the lamps. Bones, ivory and wood are still used in making the implements and tools. Understood now, kids? Now we are going to see the transport. Which type of transport is there in that one Greenland? We are going to see. We are going to see the transport of the Greenland, because there is only ice. There are roads only within town in Greenland. There are only roads only in towns, not everywhere roads are there. Eskimos travel in ice-covered region on dog sledge or snowmobiles. There everywhere ice means ice. Look here, this one, kids. Everywhere ice. Only in towns roads are there. Only in towns roads are there. Eskimos travel in ice-covered region on dog sledges or snowmobiles. Sledge that slide on snow. Sledge means That is a slide on snow. Look here, kids. It is a slide. It is a slide on snow. A vehicle on runner for passenger over a snow or ice. Sledges are vehicle, type of a vehicle that slides on snow. That slides on snow. A vehicle on runner for a passenger over a snow. Understood now? It is the dog sledge. Dog sledge. Reindeer drawn sledge. Snowmobile. These are the vehicles of the Greenland. Do you know, kids? The Inuits means Eskimos invented the kayak, a one-person boat used for the hunting and transportation. Kayak literally means hunter's boat. It is called the kayak. It is the hunter's boat. Hunter's boat is called the kayak and is perfect for hunting in this water, since it is very silent and catches the prey unawares. This one person boat is called the hunting transport. Kayak literally means hunter's boat. Okay, and is perfect for hunting this water, since it is a very silent and catches the prey unawares. Okay, next on the page. An Arctic home. Now we are going to see the home of the Arctic people. Can you imagine living in Greenland in a house like ours? The people, those are living in Greenland, their houses are, our type houses are there? No, their houses are different types, not our houses types. Their houses are different types of houses. We would never be able to survive for even a single day. We would never able to survive in that region, in that atmosphere, in a single day, not in a half day. People in Greenland live in igloos during the winter. These houses are made of ice blocks so as to retain the heat. The peoples of that one Greenland, they live in igloos. The igloos are made by ice blocks. Our houses are made by stones, bricks, cements. Yes or no, kids? But the houses of that one people, means those are living in Arctic region, they are their houses made from ice blocks. Understood, the kids? This heat is mostly provided by the blubbers during the brief and pleasant summer seasons. They live in tents made from the animal hide. This one, during the winter, these houses are made up of ice block so as to retain the heat. When the summer starts, this one this one ice block retains the heat. That time the people are living in this one day. This heat mostly provided by the blubbers during the brief yet pleasant summer. That time they live in a tent made by animal hide. This one is a tent made by animal's hide. That time in summer days people live in this one tent. In winter days, they are living in igloos, and summer days, they are living in this one tent that is made by a animal hide. And igloo is made by a ice block, and tent is made by a animal hide. Understood now, kids? Next, we are going to see the occupation. Occupation of that one people. The climate being warmer in the coastal areas, fishing is the only major occupations. The Arctic region, especially Greenland, fish such as halibuts, cod, shrimps, and the Atlantic salmon are the major type of the fish are in the great demand, especially in European countries. Fish processing is the before the major industry in Greenland. Their major occupation is the fishing. Fishing is the major occupation of this one Greenland peoples. There are lots of types of fishes are there. Halibut, schors, shrimps, Atlantic salmons are major types of fish in the great demands, and their European countries. Fish processing is their major industry in Greenland. There are big industries are there in Greenland. Next, a small part of southwest Greenland is suitable for agriculture. Some part of this one Greenland is also suitable for agriculture. Look here in this one picture, kids. Sheep are also reared for their wool and meat. In this area, they are rear the sheep for their wool and meat. Here, people have now started growing vegetables such as potatoes, turnips, beets, carrots, parsnips, and the cauliflowers, tomatoes, cucumber, and a few local types of green vegetables such as the Greenlandic pointed cabbages and the icebergs lettuce. Nowadays, people from where southwest Greenland part, a small part of southwest Greenland people are started to grow a new crops. Potatoes, turnips, beets, carrot, parsnips, and cauliflower, tomatoes, etc., etc., etc. Understood, no kids? These one all vegetables they are growing nowadays. Where the small part of the southwest Greenland. Understood, no? Their major occupation is the fishing. Their major occupation is fishing, and the second part is growing crops. Crops means vegetables. Okay, next we are going to see the today's life today. Okay, modern life in Greenland very different that what is used to be not very long ago. Modern life in Greenland is very different than what it used to be not a very long ago. Scientific and technological progress has helped to more people to live in homes with a better amenities, better transport, better communication, have so improved the quality of life of the people. Facilities like school, teachers, training centers, medical centers are being provided by the government. Major cities of Greenland are also well connected to cities in the nearby continents of Europe and the North America. Nowadays, life of today's in Greenland peoples, they are connected to new cities, continents, Europe and North America. Nowadays they have schools, teacher training centers, medical centers, government hospitals, so many facilities now government supply to them. In that region, government supplied the all facilities. Scientific and technological progress has helped. Scientific and technological progress helped to more of the peoples live in home with better amenities, better transport, better communications. They also improve the life quality. From that one, scientific and technological progress, has helped to improve their life. Nowadays, they are living a good life. Understood, no kids? Look in this one picture, they have all good facilities in that region. Now, the government supplied these all facilities. Understood, kids? Here we'll stop our this one videos. In the next video we are going to see the words to know, revise the lesson, and we're going to see the exercise. Until you read the lesson, read the whole lesson, underline the new words, write that one in your notebook, learn by heart that one new words. Understood now, kids? This one all work you do in your home. It is your homework. Okay, in the next video we are going to see the next part, means words to know, revision portion, exercise. You should read the lesson every day, otherwise you are unable to solve the exercise. You are not going to solve the exercises without reading. It is impossible. So kids, please read the lesson every day. Understood now? Thank you for watching the video.